Wasn't sure I was going to make a video today because we're scrambling a little bit because of our little visitor coming up from the south. They call him Henri. Don't know why they decided it has to be French. I just thought it was Henry, but that's just me. Anyway, apparently he's bringing a little bit of rain with him, and so we've been scrambling a little bit this morning, trying to pick in advance, get stuff done, so that there's a serious possibility we might not be able to work on Monday, at least in the morning, depending on just how bad it is. So yeah, we're just trying to be prepared and not get caught off guard. So we're picking extra. We have to pick today anyway, but now we're picking with Monday in mind. It's pretty hectic. So we're doubling up on everything. Alright, I'm just gonna come check on everybody picking red kale. Should almost be done in this field right now. This red kale field is almost toast. Most of the plants have been clear cut. Hey Ashton, how's it going?
Alright, beautiful day.
Beautiful day. Hey Brooke, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Hey Jimmy, how's it going over here?
It's going pretty good. Just watching out for the black spot.
Good, good. These bunches look pretty good. Nice. Hey, Kohlmeister. Hey Abdi, how are you? You looking good?
Yes.
You're working hard?
Yeah.
Good job, man.
Thank you. Working hard and I'm working hard. Hey,
you're looking good.
Sweets? No sweets. We get nothing. No sweets.
No sweets for you, Russ.
No sweets.
What about ice cream though?
Oh, ice cream, definitely. Ice cream and beer.
So you're buying ice cream?
Yep.
Ice cream and
For your
beer?
record, yes.
At the same time?
That's correct.
Oh my
A
gosh.
beer float.
You guys ready for the storm?
Yeah, I hear that the storm is coming on Monday. Hopefully we can get enough stuff in to make up for the possible day we might miss.
Yeah.
I mean, it's probably not going to be the exact amount, but hopefully the effort adds
Get us
something.
close. Yeah, it's the hope. I was more talking about your family.
Oh.
You guys ready?
Yeah. My folks just getting back from their road trip to South Carolina, so.
Oh.
Oh,
so they're bringing the storm, are they?
Yeah. I want to blame them. This is Hurricane Henri.
So we're clear cutting. You've done dandelion before, right?
Yeah. I know that people actually hate that, but I thought they were weeds, honestly. The first time I'm like, why are we cutting weeds? But
Hey, Farmer Terry.
I'm still getting used to that.
Yeah. I mean, this is looking really nice. There's only a few red tips here and there, so just avoid the red tips and cut everything else.
All right.
Remember what I said before is grab it high in case you do have short pieces from a previous cutting, so grab high and cut low. And then you should get some really nice stuff. All right, I'm gonna leave you guys to it. It's a beautiful day, everybody.
Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. That's a beautiful day.
I'm gonna go to the opposite side of the valley and go get some chards for our market. Let me go pick some chards. The chards are really looking so good. It's pretty good. It's a nice big leaf. There's some pinks. Definitely one of the prettier things we pick. That's for sure. There we go. It's a good bunch. Let's rubber band it. Boom. There's the rubber band. Like my magic trick. heading out now to go harvest the watermelon with the crew. I've got to get the watermelon bin on the forks of the tractor and meet them out in the field. That's how we do watermelon before a hurricane. We're gonna put everything away for the night, ready for the morning to do our last picking before the heavy weather sets in. Just finished picking lettuce, or at least our green leaf and escarole. We're gonna go pick some red leaf, and then lettuce should be wrapped up, and we'll hit the cukes and tomatoes next, I think. Whew. Not even 9 o'clock and it's feeling pretty hot. Maybe it's just me. Looking at this today, you can't imagine we got a hurricane on the way. Crazy. Gosh, there's so many of these, and they're so delicious. Unfortunately, there's so many that are burst as well. Can't put it in a box, but I can certainly eat it. Oh yeah. That'll be the tastiest tomatoes ever. Right off the vine. That's a bit too much green there. This is Rachel, my fellow picker. Got lots of nice ones in there. Oh, these look ready. Yes, that's the right color. Lenny, our truck driver, just arrived. He's brought some produce from other farms that we buy from. So I got to offload the truck real quick and get started with packing. The crew is almost done with the tomatoes. I was just down there with them, and it's looking good. Yeah, we should get all the tomatoes out and be able to send everybody home on time. Don't like to keep people too late on a Saturday. Sure are grateful for their help though. All right, I'm gonna get to it. So it's looking good. We've got some extra stuff from what we picked. That should help us with the next order. So hopefully we have enough. A lot of cherry tomatoes.
Fun stuff. Are we keeping them on the chards here? Probably close mail out on Monday anyway, so.
Yep. Good job, Jimmy. So that's that. We've secured everything we can secure. We closed up the barn. The other barn we can't close, so just hoping for the best there. And that we don't have a lot of wind. See you on the other side, and until next time, tot ziens, salagahle, rock on.
Russ, do you have a message for Levi?
Oh, Levi, where you been, my friend? I got some big hot peppers for you.
Yeah.
Mucho grande hot tomatoes. Come on, I need help.
So I'm just gonna shut the doors. Oh, that's gonna be a little harder than I thought. Somebody threw the string all the way up there.
All right, beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day to flat off.
What did you say there, Owen?
Oh crap.